Hi everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our Lake Life Palooza. I always get to kick off day 2 by popping in and sharing with you what I have been doing at Crafting with Holly. And as you can see, I've been having so much fun with this Country Woods paper suite collection. There is not only, here, how about if I just bring in some of these things so I can get them, say them correctly. The Country Birdhouse, the Country Flowers, there is the Country Woods Designer Series paper, and then there is also the Country Lace Designer Series paper. So this is the Country Woods paper that I'm absolutely obsessed about, and they've sold out of this like 3 times and have already reordered it. I love all of these wood grain papers, and this is what one side of them looks like, and then if you flip over these papers, this is what the other side looks like. And I had so much fun playing with these bird houses and the wood papers to create another set of cards. This was the original set that I created with the Country Lace papers, and so this is what one side of them looks like, and then this is the opposite side. So lots of blues and grays, and then the greens and peaches are just so interchangeable when you use those with the wood grains. They really all work together. And then if you get the suite, not only will you get both of those designer series papers, but you'll also get this birdhouse with the coordinating thin cut. I already put it on a magnet sheet. You'll also get the Country Flowers with the coordinating dies, and again, I put them on a magnet sheet. That doesn't come with it. And then there's also this embossing folder, the Eyelet 3D, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the 3D embossing folders from Stampin' Up! Are amazing. They are so detailed. Look at the dimension that you get on those. And this is just so perfect to go with this paper because look at it. It matches the designer series paper. So I had to get that in the bundle. I am so glad it came with that. And then there's one other thing. There's some ribbon that is in the bundle as well, but I don't have that featured here. And then I added 2 dies to create, my little titles. It is the Spotlight on Nature dies, and then the Stylish Shapes dies. Love these, you guys. There's 2 sheets in this one of dies. So I have them on 2 separate magnet sheets. So let me pull this out so that you guys can see it. It's in here really good and snug. Whoops, there we go. So you get this sheet of dies, and then you have another sheet in here. Look at those, and they all nest inside each other, which is so cool. Love this set. You will not regret it if you get it, and I know it sold out a couple of times during their sale last month, and I believe it is back in stock, and it is the Spotlight on Nature's dies. So I'm super excited for those of you that have already gotten it. You are going to love it. I just love the detail, and I love how many shapes you get and that they all work together. And just so that you can see, look at how beautiful the detail is on this die. And then the detail on this one as well, just all that amazing stitching. Super, super fun. And then these are the Stylish Shapes. Everybody can use banners. Love the squares for photos even. And then the circles are amazing too. And this one is just 1 sheet. Yes, 1 sheet of dies. And I kept them inside of here, but I put everything on a magnet sheet. So those were the products in the Country Woods Suite collection. These are the cards. I did a 4-sheet wonder, and you get to make 6 cards with 4 6x6 pieces of DSP, and then all you need to do is add cardstock for your flowers and for white daisy or basic white to do your stamping. And I did a video on my YouTube channel. I'll make sure that I link it down below, and it walks you through the coloring and my perspective on both the Stampin Blends and the Tri-Blend markers. So I will make sure I put both of those videos in. One's my perspective on coloring and showing how to color, and then the other video is the assembly of all of these. And then this is a bonus. I haven't done anything with this yet. I will try and add these to my guide, but my daughter's graduation party is actually today. So although you're seeing this video and it was pre-recorded, this was something that I whipped together this past week to just show another version of these beautiful cards with this amazing sweet collection. And then you're wondering, what is this fun little goodie over here? I whipped this up today, and it is a card box for A2 cards, and guess what? It will perfectly hold 6 cards and envelopes in here. And look at how fun this is, you guys. This is going to be a class that I'm going to be teaching very soon, and I had to kind of give you guys a sneak peek at it, but you are going to love this card box. And then I created a belly band to go over it and attach it right in here. So there you go. That is what I've been up to this past month and this past few weeks, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day 2 of our Palooza, and I can't wait to see what, I think it's Tina's up next with all of her beautiful Lake Life pages. So I will talk to you guys later this afternoon with my card making workshop. I'll catch you real soon.